Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to export OneNote as PDF files. This is incredibly useful when you need to share your notes in a more universal format that anyone can open and view, regardless of whether they have OneNote installed or not. Let's walk through this simple process together. First things first, you'll want to start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and loading into your notebook. Make sure you give it a moment to fully load all your sections and pages. This ensures that everything you want to export is ready and accessible for the next steps. Once your notebook has been loaded, it's time to begin the export process. Head out to the File menu, which you'll find located on the top part of your screen where all your main tools are typically positioned. This menu is your gateway to various important functions, including the export feature we need today. From the File menu, click on the Export option. Now here's where things get interesting. You'll notice that OneNote gives you 3 different types of exports you can choose from. You can export just a single page if you only need specific content, export an entire section if you want to share a group of related pages, or you can even export the whole notebook itself if you need everything in one go. This flexibility is what makes OneNote's export feature so powerful and adaptable to different needs. On the right side part of the export window, you'll see the File Format options. This is where you'll select the PDF option to convert your OneNote content into a PDF file. PDF is perfect because it preserves your formatting and ensures your notes look exactly how you intended them to look when shared with others. After selecting PDF, click on Export. A File Explorer window will now appear on your screen. This window lets you choose exactly where you want to save your newly converted PDF file. You can select your desktop for easy access, create a new folder to keep things organized, or choose any existing location that makes sense for your workflow. Once you've picked your destination and given your file a name, click Save, and OneNote will process your export. Depending on how much content you're exporting, this might take a few seconds, so just be patient while it completes. And that's it. You've now successfully converted your OneNote notes into a PDF file that's ready to be shared, printed, or archived. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.